It's between Thursday and Friday, the 18th of January 2013. Here we are, 18th of January 2013. And there's something kind of jumping here. Heavy snow is expected all over England tomorrow, so I thought I would check it out. Some weird white stuff going on here, I don't know what it is. It's a bit weird. It is a bit weird, really. Look at that. Seems to happen at 1 o'clock in the morning. And there it jumps in this kind of round circle here, and there seems to be another round ring there, and this weird white stuff over here. This is Intellicast. Can't see any flashing going on. Hello everybody. It's the 18th of January 2013. I'm on Intellicast, and there's been an earthquake in England in the East Midlands, magnitude 2.9 at 5:20 GMT in the morning, early morning, to the north of Leicester, north of a smaller town called Loughborough. So if you want to find out how to check on this earthquake, you go to Intellicast.com, map settings, and you will click on the earthquake here. Okay, you can also have the radar and satellite of Europe if you click here, otherwise automatically it will be on North America, and you click on earthquakes. I was checking out the active tropical track, but you don't have to have that on. So earthquakes here, and then you do done down at the bottom. There we are. So the pale blue and pink means very cold, snow probably. Green is rain. Yellow is storms, and if there's red in the middle, it means a bad storm. So on top of this earthquake we have snow coming, and they are talking about power cuts on the articles online and Telegraph and so on. So I don't know if this is the preparations for the earthquake they prepared for a couple of years ago, mobilising the police and so on. I'll put a link to that below. Anyway, so I hope there aren't any more of these earthquakes. Now if I move out, you will see that you have the earthquakes all over the world. Right, so there's been an earthquake down here, Egypt, 4.9, on the Mid-Atlantic ridge, 5 magnitude, in Afghanistan, in China, 4.3 in Hindu Kush region, China 5.4 in Sichuan, and so on. There we go. Why do we go in here? 5.3 south of the Mariana Islands. And then you have several down the coast of Chile, Peru. When they're white, it means that they were yesterday. Red means they have just happened. So when we see there's an orange one in England, we know that it's this morning early. Right, so now you can go to map settings. You can keep the earthquakes or take them off. You click it, take them off, and then you can put on radar North America. Done. Okay, there you go. Every time you change your settings you have to press on play. Then you can zoom in. And the holes in this storm here indicate a Doppler underneath, which is covering the storms. And many of us wonder if the Dopplers are not creating the storms. See, there's a hole here, a hole here, and a hole here. Now if I want the earthquakes on again, and there you see all the earthquakes that have been happening in California, for example, in San Juan, and so on. Now for a better idea of the stats, you can go over to USGS for the earthquakes. So USGS, real-time earthquake map. And there you can see all the earthquakes. And here you can see there has been one in England. Okay. You click on that. And you will zoom in. There it says 2.9 at 5:20 in the morning. Okay. So it's at Hatham, United Kingdom. So it says 0 kilometers northeast of Hatham at 5:20. Location, you then have the longitude and latitude. The nearby cities, Hatham, Loughborough, Shepshed, Long Eaton, 162 kilometers from London. Okay. And it was felt in the Leicester area. This is an additional commentary, so if anybody has felt it, then they can send in a report with the contact. Click. Did you feel it? Okay. Tell us. There you are. Intensity, not felt, weak, light, moderate. Okay, so it was pale blue, and there have been others. Look at that. 7 responses in Leicester, 4 responses in Charnwood. There have been responses in Nottingham, 4. Derby, 2 responses. And they were sort of light. Okay. Seismogram displays. This is the one I was looking for. So there you go. Now you click on that. These are the helicorder plots. Now the one that's usually the most active is LMK. Okay. Oh, so I think you click on here and we get to LMK. Market Raisin, that's usually the worst. Most active. Short period. Okay. Right, view. Here we are. So that is a helicorder. Okay. So you can see there's plenty of activity there. And we can go one day back. If you want to do yesterday, you have that. And there you have what it was doing yesterday. Right, so now I really want something near Leicester, so CWF in the East Midlands. So we find that one. Here we are, Charnwood Forest. 18th view. There we are, we had something here. 5:20. These are the minutes. So I'm going to look down here in Swindon. SWN. Oh, here it is. Swindon. View. 5:20. So it was felt in Swindon. So we go back to CWF and try yesterday. See whether there's anything. There's a little thing here somewhere. Okay. LMK. So that was today. 5 o'clock. That's this big thing here. 5:20. It was this thing. But you can see that at market raisins there are other things happening all the time. It can really be quite astonishing. Go back a few days. 15th. See, look at that. So we'll just have a look at ESK because now I'm curious about Scotland. That. Yeah, you can see 5:20. Little thing. Right, that's it for now. And I'll keep an eye on this. Bye.